connected.
What's up, YouTube? It's dafobra. And today we're rolling out to meet some of the fam. We're heading out to Jersey to my buddy Mark's studio. We're gonna take some real dope shots of the bikes. We got Windy, Johnny Diesel, and Cowie Hugh already en route, and I'm meeting up with Life with Research, P.T.S.D, and Pete the Greek. So let's get it going. So here we are in beautiful Bayside, Queens, and we're gonna meet the crew up here at the Dunkin' Donuts. Then we're gonna head on out to Jersey. What's up, Playboy? Alright, so let's see who is here. I know Pete the Greek is here. I think that is it for now. I am a tiny bit early. This is a saddle factory. That's like partner Red Sea over here. Come on, suck it in, man. Yoga. Do some Pilates. Whoa, Haley. Where do you want me to put it? Oh yeah? Is that the casting couch?
This is where all the magic happens.
Alright, we had a great time out here in Jersey doing some pictures. And I put some of the pictures up, some of the shots. I got my boy Life with Research. Hooked it up with his Ninja 650 looking beautiful. But we got to get him to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this summer. That's his goal, and I'm really hoping we can get him there. Like I said, check him out. I'll put a link below. You know, we had Cowie Hugh, we had Johnny D, I had Night Loki. You had me, you had Windy Dave, we had a lot of beautiful bikes here. You had BK to LI, so we had all types of motorcycles here. And hopefully I'll throw the pictures up on social media. Hopefully you follow me on Instagram, and I'll put links down below of all the guys here who are here today for Instagram. And you could definitely check out their feed, because they're going to have some really dope shots. I mean, Mark and Hugh took some killer shots today. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Ride safe. I'll see you.